Want to build a YouTube channel that makes money without showing your face? In 2025, YouTube automation is one of the biggest opportunities for passive income. And today, I'll show you step by step how to start your own YouTube automation channel from scratch. Part 1. What is YouTube automation? Definition. Faceless YouTube channels run like a business. You don't film yourself, you outsource or use AI for content. Example: niches, finance, motivation, tech reviews, trending news. Why 2025 is the best year? AI tools plus more monetization options. Part 2. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Look for evergreen plus high CPM niches. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or popular automation niches. Finance, health, tech, facts, AI content. Part 3. Step 2. Content creation. Scripting gives use AI ChatGPT, Jasper, etc. or hire writers. Voiceover gives AI voices, Murph. 11. Labs or freelancers on Fiverr. Video editing gives Canva, CapCut, Premiere, or outsourced editors. Thumbnails gives bright colors, big text clickbait style. Part 4. Step 3. Upload and optimize. SEO-friendly titles with keywords. Add description, plus timestamps, plus call to action. Tags and hashtags gives boost discovery. Consistency. Upload 2 to 4 times per week. Part 5. Step 4. Monetization. Join YouTube Partner Program. 1K subs plus 4K watch hours. Revenue streams. AdSense. Sponsorships. Affiliate links. In 2025, give Shorts monetization plus shopping ads equals more income. Part 6. Scaling the business. Build a team. Scriptwriter, editor, thumbnail designer, run multiple channels in different niches. Use AI to reduce costs and scale faster. If you want financial freedom in 2025, YouTube automation is one of the smartest ways to build passive income. Start small, stay consistent, and scale like a business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to start your automation journey today.